Arrays require a single, unbroken block of memory to house your data. As a computer runs, RAM often becomes fragmented, and finding one contiguous block large enough for a massive dataset becomes difficult or impossible. To solve this, we use a node. Every node contains your data in one partition, and a second compartment, a pointer, that stores the memory address of the next item in the sequence. These nodes scatter across any available gaps in memory, linking together sequentially. The chain only ends when the final pointer has nowhere left to go, terminating at a null value. Since the data is no longer stored in a predictable block, the system relies on two reference points to find it: the head to locate the start of the chain, and the tail to identify the end. Arrays utilize hardware prefetching to read contiguous memory at high speeds. Linked lists trade that read efficiency for flexibility, allowing data to be stored wherever a gap in RAM exists. Inserting a new node into the middle of an existing list requires a precise sequence of pointer reassignments. The first step is to point the new node's reference to the subsequent node in the chain. This secures the connection to the rest of the list before any existing links are broken. Once the back half is secure, the previous node redirects its pointer to snap onto the new node, successfully integrating it into the sequence. If you break the original link before the new node is tethered, the subsequent nodes become unreachable. Without a pointer to find them, they drift into the garbage collection zone and the data is lost. To prevent losing the start of the list during complex edits, developers use a dummy node. It acts as a protective anchor, holding the head position while internal pointers are moved. Pointer manipulation requires precise execution order. One misplaced assignment causes an immediate, irreversible memory leak. An infinite loop occurs when the tail of a list points back into the middle of the chain, creating a circular reference that prevents traversal from ever ending. Floyd's cycle detection algorithm identifies these loops by deploying two separate pointers from the head, moving at different speeds. The slow pointer advances one node per iteration. The fast pointer advances two nodes in the same time frame. If a cycle exists, the fast pointer will eventually lap the slow pointer. Merging on the same node triggers a collision state, proving the list is circular. Variable pointer speeds identify structural flaws and solve spatial memory problems in place without additional tracking memory. This matrix compares the time complexity of both structures. Arrays provide O of 1 random access, allowing you to jump to any index instantly, while linked lists require O of n time to traverse each pointer in the chain. The matrix updates to show the cost of inserting data at the beginning of the structure. Arrays require O of n time to shift every element backward, whereas linked lists complete this in O of 1 time through a single pointer reassignment. The doubly linked list includes a prev pointer in every node, shown here in this technical schematic. While this allows for backward traversal, it also doubles the memory overhead required to store pointers for each node. Robust code must account for the null pointer exception. If the program attempts to read data from a pointer that has no destination, the system will crash. Choosing a linked list depends on weighing the cost of memory fragmentation against the requirements for structural flexibility.